Welcome back to another vlog, and there is something funky going on. My car has just broken, so Tanya is helping me, and I thought I'll shoot this because many of us might be curious to see how things are going on. I'm trying to jumpstart my car and take it to the service center. I have to take my car to the service center because it's in warranty, and I have to get the battery replaced because it's not holding any charge. This is my portable jump start kit, which is coming handy a lot. So it's not any rocket science. You turn this thing on, it's 100%. You hold this. When it turns green, Tanya goes and give it a kickstart.
Here.
And there we go.
So the battery is dead. It's not charging. We don't know. I think maybe it's gone bad. That's why it's not charging or something. Even though he full charged the battery, still the car doesn't start.
Yeah, it's not holding any charge.
Alright, so
It's gonna be a different vlog.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, this is how I'll be driving there. And we have booked the appointment so that we can avoid the rush. And I'm hoping there will be as few people.
And I'm not going, it's just he is going. I'll be home.
There's no point.
Yeah,
for
going two
everyone to
people.
go.
Yeah.
And we'll take as much precautions we can with my mask.
Maybe you kept it inside there? Inside that black thing? We have the hand sanitizer yellow color bottle over there.
Yep, and this is like a hospital grade hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Mask.
I'm
All
gonna
done.
drop off the car there and then see you guys in a bit over there.
Yep.
Bye.
Alright, I'm just enjoying my tea. I was talking to my mom, dad, my aunt's mom, dad, but everybody is busy, so I don't have anybody to talk to right now. And look at this guy. Good morning. He's already done with his walk, his food, everything. He's just sitting here and relaxing. Right, Marvel? Right, baby? You're so beautiful, Barbie. You're so beautiful.
Okay guys, so I'm done getting the service done. It was pretty quick, barely took 40 minutes for me. They have wiped down the car and stuff, but I'm also getting my car fogged day after tomorrow, inside and out, getting the whole thing sanitized. So I'm driving back home and I have to log into work, so let's go home. Also, they changed the battery. It was under warranty, so I didn't really have to pay anything, so that's a good thing. That's why I rushed to this thing, because you know, when things are under warranty, as soon as something happens, you should just get it fixed. This thing is not easy to live in. I have high respect to all the doctors who are wearing their mask all day and helping everybody out there. Salute.
I was cutting up watermelon. As you can see, the leftovers here. So this is so whenever we cut watermelon, we just take the ends and feed it to Marvel because it has some red watermelon left in it. Look at this. Marvel ate it. He knows exactly how to eat the watermelon. Can you see his teeth marks in here? Just hold on. Yeah, look at that. And he's right here watching me again. Right, Babu? Look at that. Let me show you. Let's see whether he eats this or not. All right. Can you sit here? Yes, good boy. This is how you eat watermelon. Look at him. Oh, my baby. Look at the way he eats. Look at that. He ate everything. मैंने आधा 6 kg का वाटरमेलन है हमारा।
सस्ता मिल गया।
हाँ, मैंने खा के नहीं देखा, मारो ने खाया था।
देखने में लाल है।
हाँ, पूरा लाल। देखने में तो बहुत मीठा लगा था मुझे। Lunch is ready. You saw my roti, how nice they came out. And then I made palak wali dal with green lentils and spinach, onion, tomato, garlic and all the stuff that I showed you. And it's ready with some cucumbers, so we're gonna go enjoy our lunch. I am making oatmeal coconut chocolate chip cookies and I'm trying this for the first time, so that's why I'm not sharing the recipe. But this is how the batter looks as of now, and it smells amazing, coconutty, super delicious. So the batter is ready, the dough is ready. I'm gonna place it in the baking tray and put it in the oven, and let's see how it comes out. Alright, the cookies are out and this is how they look. You can see they have a nice crisp bottom and they're soft and chewy from inside. That is what I'm guessing, but once it cools down, I'm gonna ask Mayank to taste it and he'll let me know whether it's gooey and chewy and soft from inside or not. But yeah, you can see the edges, they're nice and brown color. That means they're crisp from the bottom. They look good. I had 2 more last cookies that are in the oven now. Truth, I made this cookie for the first time. It has to be chewy, gooey from outside and crispy from the bottom, okay? And it also should taste delicious. Good or not good?
I love it.
Love it?
Does it have coconut?
Yes, sweetened coconut flakes.
It's really, really good.
Alright, so the recipe for this cookies will be in the description box below. Now that it is tasting good. I thought if it doesn't taste good, then I'm not going to give you the recipe.
It's definitely tasting very good.
Mmm. I didn't even imagine it would come out so good. Mmm. These are oats cookie.
Mm.
So good.
Oats and then the
Flour.
coconut.
Mmm. Mmm. Take some hot cookies, dip it in the cold milk, and okay, so it's Marvel's lucky day because his treats just got delivered. We were out of his treats, so we ordered them. And look at this big packet. Wait, hold on. Mommy's gonna give you. Wait, get off. Good. I'm gonna keep the bill. A big packet of dried beef lungs, and over here we have cod. Marvel, baby, off. Codfish treats. These are for training, and again these are also for training. These are beef nibs for training. And then another one of his favorite are these duck feet. These are also dried. Don't get gross because he loves them. Oh my god, look at him. Let me show you. Marvel, we got the beef lung at such a big packet. Can you sit? Gee, and this is your duck feet. Are you excited? Look at his tail. He is excited. Take it gentle. Good boy. He'll go to his bed and he'll eat it. Oh my god, look at him. He loves this treat.
We have food tasting for you. Sit. Stay. Down. Okay. Stay. Sit.
Look at the way he's drooling.
Stay. Stay. The codfish. Stay. Which one do you like?
Which one did you like the most, Marvel?
First eat the beef, then the fish, then the chicken, then the lamb. Lamb maybe because it was from here.
It was like
This
he always
baby
used to
every-
eat it.
Did you like those? Did you like all those Cheetos? Wow! So many Cheetos in the house. Okay guys, so I'm gonna quickly just give you a sneak peek of what we are cooking for dinner. We did all the prep over here. I don't know how many of you could recognize this, but this is a peanut chutney which is very famous for vada pav and otherwise in Maharashtra. So we are making vada pav tonight. So we had the peanut chutney, shengdana chutney ready. We have aloo mixture ready, and we have our pavs ready. So once we are done with giving walk to Marvel, we are just gonna come back and make our vada pavs, and hot and crispy and delicious, and we're gonna eat it.
And it's gonna be my first time eating vada pav. I've never eaten.
Yeah, and I'm gonna fry some chilies as well. We have some green chilies so that we can like make authentic vada pav and eat it today. And she's enjoying cinnamon tea right now.
Yeah. So you put the green chili in
In
the
the
vada
vada
pav
pav.
with the bun inside.
Yeah, or some people take on the side, like they take a bite of a vada pav and they take a bite of a chili. So, well, I'm excited and she is very excited. So that's what's going on for the dinner prep today.
अंदर घुस गया होती नहीं ना. It's okay. We are almost done making dinner. So let me show you the buns with the peanut chutney, you can see. And he is frying the potatoes over there. And that's basically it. And then we have the green chilies that we're gonna deep fry. And that's it, right, babe? Yeah, so that's it. We still have some leftover potato mixture that we will make some other day, like tomorrow or whatever. And I'm very excited because I've never eaten it. Marvel, are you excited? Look at that beautiful face. Look at that. Don't look at this one. Just look at all these. Ooh. Alright guys, our dinner is ready. Look at that. With some green chilies. So excited to try it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching our today's vlog. And before that, let me show you the weather outside. It's so bright, but it's 7 o'clock right now, 7 o'clock in the evening. So anyways, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next vlog. So until then, bye bye.